So what are the key elements of a cost-benefit analysis? Well, it actually says so already in the name, the costs and the benefits. So how can you calculate cost? There are two key categories of cost that we will look at: CapEx, capital expenditures, and running cost. It is very important to separate these two categories clearly in order to achieve the objectives of the analysis. So let's start with CapEx, capital expenditures. These are the cost of building, purchasing, or construction of a new asset, or any cost related to its expansion or renovation. Here, just remember one-time costs, okay? That will really help you make the differentiation. And then let's look at the running cost, the operating cost. Costs that happen on a regular basis and that are variable depending on the time or output. Like, for example, the cost of seed or nutrient solution. When you make your calculations, do not mix these together because it will make it much harder for you to understand the differences between your options, or also how much it will actually cost the farmer. So keep the running cost and the capital expenditures separate. What are benefits? On this first step, we're focusing on the economic viability of hydroponics and other options. Therefore, the benefits in the calculations focus on kilograms of production and their value. At a later point in the training, we will also look at the social benefits and show you how you can include them in your calculations and decision making. Let's talk a bit also about the net present value, or short NPV. Hydroponic units are not a one-off intervention, but rather create impact for years into the future. This means when assessing the cost of the asset, we want to look at the benefits of the whole lifespan of a unit, meaning the years in which the unit stays in the field and can be used. If a unit has, for example, a durability of 6 or even 10 years, we will consider the benefits over this whole timeline. However, the value of money over time often changes due to inflation and other factors. Simply put, benefits that we create immediately are valued higher than benefits we might, create in a distant future. The net present value is a very simple method used to calculate the future benefits or costs in terms of their present value. So no need to be scared of this. It is really simple to do it. And again, you can do this as well.